to share 10 amazing facts that could one day save your life. Be sure to watch until the end because the last fact might just blow your mind. Ready? Let's go! Fact 1. How to quench your thirst in the forest. If you ever get lost in the forest and don't have any water, avoid drinking from stagnant ponds. Instead, try to find dew on leaves, especially in the morning. It has fewer bacteria and can help you avoid getting sick. Fact 2. How to escape quicksand. If you accidentally step into quicksand, don't panic. That's key. Don't try to pull yourself out quickly. Instead, move slowly and alternate lifting your legs as if you were trying to float on your back. Fact 3. Remember the rule of 3S. In an extreme situation, remember 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without warmth, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food. This will help you prioritize your actions and avoid panicking. Fact 4. How to avoid a lightning strike. If you find yourself in an open area during a thunderstorm, squat down on the balls of your feet, don't lie flat, and keep your feet close together. This reduces the risk of getting struck by lightning through the ground. Fact 5. Use a plastic bottle as a magnifying glass. On a sunny day, you can use a plastic bottle filled with water as a magnifying glass to start a fire. This can be a lifesaver if you need to stay warm or signal for help. Fact 6. How to create a signal fire. If you need to attract attention for rescue, build a signal fire using green leaves and wood. The green leaves will create heavy smoke that can be seen from a distance, making it easier for rescuers to find you. Fact 7. Use your watch as a compass. If you don't have a compass, you can use an analog watch. Point the hour hand at the sun, and the line between the hour hand and 12 o'clock will point south. Fact 8. Deep breath. First step to calm. In a stressful situation, a deep breath can lower your adrenaline levels and help you focus. This gives you a better chance to make clear decisions. Fact 9. Bananas and bugs. If you don't have insect repellent, rub the inside of a banana peel on your skin. It can help keep mosquitoes and other annoying bugs away. Fact 10. Use your voice. If you're in trouble and being searched for, don't waste energy screaming. Instead, knock on something. The sound will travel further and is more likely to catch rescuers' attention. Well, friends, now you know 10 facts that could one day save your life. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new episodes. And of course, share this video with your friends. It might help them too one day. See you next time.